So yeah, I have to say that I wouldn't be surprised if they gave some of this estrogen to men, and they changed so much that they actually wanted to be women. It could happen. Why not? I think, we're all a bit different. Our brains are all a bit different. So, we'll react a bit differently to this kind of stimulus, this kind of drug. And I'm sure that this has happened to women too. They're doing it to me. And this is something I've said many times in my life. I said, well, if something's happening to me, chances are it's happening to somebody else too. If these people are capable of doing this to me, well, they're most likely capable of doing it to somebody else. So I'm thinking along the lines that they've probably done this to other men and to other women. Now, to what purpose? Is it to change the appearance of certain boys in the family, certain girls in the family? What was the purpose? Is it because we became lab rats? Was it to keep us from having our own kids? I'm not sure exactly. Is it because some psycho decided to torture a bunch of people? I would say it's been worse in the last 20 to 25 years, maybe even more, but that's what I noticed. So, basically, these people could have been given estrogen to all kinds of people. They could have been given estrogen to my cousin, they could have been given estrogen to uncle, whoever. I can't really know, and then I'm left to think, well, with all the things that I've gone through, somebody else could have gone through something else similar in the past, in my family. I mean, they've been doing this in my family, on my mom's side. It's like 4 generations, right? It's 3 generations. My great grandmother, my grandmother, it's 3, and me, but I'm counting from there. So, I think of my dad, it's like 2 or 3, something like that. So I'm like, I can't say, that it didn't happen to other people. If anything, I would probably believe more that it did. It's like, try to explain exactly why these people did what they did. It's a bit difficult too. But I think it goes along those lines. Most likely, they had us have kids very young, and they wanted us to keep us from having other kids. Because maybe we're too smart. Maybe they tested us or something. They tested us to see how we would react, or maybe we overreacted to something they did. Can't really put your finger exactly on it, It's like I'm saying. So, they could have changed people's personalities completely. And this obviously goes back generations, and baby kidnapping, it's been out there for a long time. It's just it got really worse during the last 40, 50 years, 60 years ago. It just got worse and worse consecutively. What happens is that, one person does it, and then another learns about it, does it, and then it's so successful, they just keep doing it, and then other people get involved and do it, and it just became a business. It's like it became a staple in lots of these criminal gangs. They're like, sell them some babies, and they'll be making lots of money. I think that's what happened, basically. And people with money, well, then they sometimes get into politics, and then you get all these people getting involved. And at one point, at the point that we're at, it was going medicine and doctors and nurses and social workers and politicians and police officers, like all these people involved. And I'm like, oh my God, it's become crazy And because these people just seem to have taken over a bit. I mean, I don't know exactly all the things that happen to everybody and what they've done, but I have a good idea of what they're doing to me. I feel it, and I go through it every day. And I don't know what else to say in this video. I'm just going to stop it there. Make another one some other time. Bye.